power of confusion. Bodily fluids all over the wall. Snatching my phone. Let me wet my whistle. Those are blood stains. Texting a big batty gal. And hacking to the mainframe. It's a bit of a mad thing. The concrete jungle. I was twitching. He pushed this in my face. Fish. Life without phone sucks. Empty my accounts. Nothing is what it seems. Fucking hell, man. I've come to a beautiful São Paulo. As you can see, the concrete jungle. I thought I was checking into the same place that I stayed in last year. It turns out they have very similar names. So in the middle of the night last night, I showed up to this apartment expecting something very different. Let me give you an exciting walkthrough here. Those are blood stains all over the chairs and floor. And just look at the state of the chairs. What's been going on in here? The walls are filthy. The kitchen is literally falling apart. That is just like a piece of cardboard. The bathroom's the same. Like, this is just falling apart piece of cardboard. There's bodily fluids all over the wall. What do I do to deserve this? Let's hope they can refund this and I'm out of here. The last 3 accommodations that I've had with booking.com have been absolutely shit. It's nice to finally be like a nice little fucking rooftop gym. Come out to a little bit of sunshine. Do you know what I mean? This is well deserved because booking.com, do better, bruv. The last 3 accommodations I got were terrible and you offered me no assistance. The pool was a little bit on the small side, but you know, we can deal with that. Let's see, is this place open? Let's see if I don't end up with another shit haircut, because the last one, awful. I think this barbershop's a bit of a fancy one, so let's see if they do a better job than what I had before. The barbershop cost me a fucking arm and a leg, and what is that? I could have done better with my eyes closed. And it cost me like 4 times the price of any other barbershop I've been to. I'm here having some lunch, so my food came. The drink is a standard ginger drink. But a sandwich like this, why is the plate so small? What do you want me to do with this plate? And there's no knife and fork. So you want me to just like push this in my face? I'll just go back. There you go. But the sandwich is banging, but the plate, comically small plate for such a large sandwich. But the actual sandwich is pretty good. Like, I'm not sure why this plate is so small. Like, it's like the smallest possible plate that you could fit it on. Tá bom. Sim, sim. Obrigado. Look at the state of the table. I made a right fucking mess. We're gonna go into like the ambiance. It's super cold in here, but maybe I'm underdressed. I'm gonna say 3 out of 5. Come out of my accommodation, yeah, and there's fucking, I don't know what's going on, yeah, but there's people cleaning up. And there's just like fucking fish all over the floor, all over the street. Was there a fish market? But this ain't even a market street, it's just a road. The power of confusion. So I'm bowling about, yeah, there's like a complete like Japanese space in São Paulo. It's a bit of a mad thing. Like, quite literally, everything and everyone is Japanese. Have a look at this. But you can't see it now because it's not lit up. I should have probably come here in the daytime. But you can see that. That's what you need to see. I've ordered myself some ramen. Alright, so it's a little on the small side. The flavours are pretty good. The flavours are nice, the flavours are there. The flavours are present. Yeah, it's just like seriously lacking some broth. It's a bit dry. Dry ramen. What's that all about? Like, this is the first ramen in my life I've ever had where you don't really need the spoon because there's nothing to put in it. There's no soup, no broth. Let me wet my whistle. A little bit of heat in those final moments. Maybe even broke off a little sweat. I'm gonna say the flavors were there. If they gave like a regular amount of broth to ramen, it would have been top scores. But For that reason alone, I'm gonna say 4 out of 5 for the ramen. Caipirinha with sake is this brilliant. This is top choice. Last night I got my phone snatched. All my fault. Sitting way too close to the road. My phone out, texting a big batty gal like an idiot. And yeah, someone snatched it. But they were trying to get into my Google account and trying to get into my Wise and trying to get into my Coinbase. So that was a bit peak, a bit stressful. So now I'm gonna go to a friend's house and hopefully I can access their bank account and get a new phone. Yeah, life without a phone. Life without a phone. Don't let people lie to you, bruv. Life without a phone sucks. But as always, nothing is what it seems. I managed to sort out my bank, and then my friend was like, oh, there's an Apple store around the corner from my house. So I've come with him, but there is no Apple store. And then we've gone back to the shop where I have my phone number, which is here. And my phone number is registered to somebody else. So when I was giving my details, he was like, whose phone number is this? And who got it for you? So now we're on our way to an Apple store. So yeah, the saga continues. What a 24 hours that has been. Like 24 hours ago, Mum was twitching, bruv. Mum was twitching. People were trying to hack into the mainframe, bruv. People were trying to empty my accounts after snatching my phone. I'm not complaining too much, but I have spent the whole day getting a new phone and navigating the city without a phone. So I'm very grateful for my friend for supporting me, giving me that support in my time of need that I didn't know I needed. And then tonight, we're gonna go turn up. More of the same, more of the rain. But like I'm telling you, the last few days, yeah, after the phone was robbed, it was not fun at all. So this, hella refreshing. The phone lost. Alright, so that's it from Sao Paulo. From the straight up robbery, the terrible apartments, and the, as always, shit haircuts. Somehow I still managed to really enjoy this city, so I'm gonna have to be back at some point. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and come follow a London gringo trying to build a new life here in Brazil. Thanks for watching, come back next week. Bye!